Information Security Management in E-Governance Services. In this video, we are going to see about Information Security Management in E-Governance Services. The e-governance services. The design of e-governance applications must be consistent, including existing legal requirements for management of data and relevant legal and regulatory requirements. From the above considerations for possible attributes, it becomes clear that the value of information stored and processed by e-governance services must be protected at all levels. Applications, infrastructure, the operation, active management of the service. Information security is designed to protect information assets and is determined in terms of confidentiality, integrity, availability. A possible approach is to create security layers. E-governance information security. The governments around the world are using e-governance and thereby information technology as an opportunity and initiative to improve the interaction between government and citizens, the interaction between government and business, as well as the international governmental operations. The e-governance methodology should focus on providing technically secure services, but also have to provide efficiency, effectiveness, flexibility, transparency. The goal is that a citizen or partner should always have the opportunity to maximize the benefits of the electronic services provided by the public e-government. The management of e-governance information security 1. It was found that information security can be ensured only through the selection and implementation of appropriate security controls through proper risk management. The main activities in ensuring security of the information are as follows: classification of information systems, selection of controls and development of basic national requirements for information security management in the e-government, including requirements for internal staff, requirements for infrastructure and applications management, as well as software development requirements, requirements for the management and delivery of services by government, risk assessment, improve and enhance the security controls based on risk assessment, implementation of security controls, monitoring and analyzing the effectiveness of security controls, continuous improvement of internal controls and improvement of the internal control system managing information security. Management as one of the determining factors for the success of the strategy and how to manage information security should be based on the methods which requires constant improvement of internal controls and management approaches. The management of e-governance information security 2. Planning, creating ISMS, creating a policy, objectives and ISMS procedures. Enforcement, implementation and operation of the ISMS. Check, monitor and review the ISMS. Action, maintain and improve the ISMS. The management of e-governance information security 3. Implementation of information security is not an event but a process. Continuous improvement is the basis on which the construction and implementation of an information security management system with many compliance requirements is built. Also known as Deming's cycle, it is designed to optimize business operations and processes in the body of the company management. Planning, creating ISMS, creating a policy, objectives and ISMS procedures relating to risk management, and improving information security to deliver result in line with the overall policy objectives of the organization. Enforcement, that is implementation and operation of the ISMS. Implementation and operation of the policy, controls, processes and procedures of the ISMS. Check, monitor and review the ISMS. Evaluation of the applicable performance measurement processes, dependencies of security policies, objectives and practical experience, and report results for a management review. Action, maintain and improve the ISMS. Take corrective and preventive actions based on internal ISMS audit results and management review results or other relevant information to achieve continual improvement of the ISMS. Implementation and improvement of security controls based on risk assessment. Deploying or implementing an information security management system and its controls based on the results of the risk assessment should be optimized. The first priority for the organization is the optimization and strategic development of the organizational structure. Thus, security functions need to be clearly visible as separate units interconnected with the senior management. Clearly defined hierarchy and the main objectives are allocated to subtasks and teams. These teams are responsible for the management of information security and the information security integration through established information security organizational policies. Each policy regulates the obligations and responsibilities of officials. Despite the established control over compliance with policies, work exclusively on the consciousness of each employee.